Hadu set. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another unboxing video for you. So just before I was about to drive to school this morning, I got a knock at the door while I was eating some breakfast, and it was the postman, this lovely package that I wasn't expecting until Monday, and it is from Interpark, if you can see. Yep, and it is my 5th term army membership kit, and I am ready to look what's inside it. So, on with the video. Ooh, very nice. So, this is the box it comes in, and we've got my army card with my name and my details on it, but I'll just hold those out. So, on the back of the card, it's just got a space for me to write my signature, when it comes in a little slip. So it's got the army logo on the front, and it's got your name, your birth date, and your membership number. It's like a little green slip, so I take that off. And it has this, I don't know what it's like, and it's got like a card folder thing on the back, and in here it's like a notebook, just blank pages, and then at the back it's got where you can put your details in it, and it's got all the boys. Next thing is like a folder, and it's got a user guide in it, so it all has the logos on it, and the user guide, which is in Korean, but here's hobby, and then, oh cute, you've got like these little notepads you can write things on. Oh, and they can be like folded into like letters, so like on the back you can fold them and bend them. Oh, those are cute. Probably never use them, but it's alright. And then we've got the poster. I didn't know I was getting posters. Wowzers, it's big. So it's got all the boys on it from when they're dressed up in those pics as kids, and then on the back it's got the army sign. I get confused if it's the army sign or if it's just the BTS one. Anyway, it's either one. And then there's the book, which I'll go through shortly. And oh my god, what are these? They're like big like pictures of them. I'll show you one. So here's Cook. V, and it's like both sides, so like you can flip it and it's like on both sides. There's Jimmy. They're breathtaking, honestly. There's J-Hope. There's Jin. I think it's only supposed to be one side, but Sugar, yeah, one side has more colour. And June, very nice. This is what the cover of the book looks like. They're so adorable. I'm assuming has the photos. So yeah, so we've got the photos from when they were dressing up, and they're like, I don't even know how to describe it, what kind of costumes they are, but you know, like, it kind of looks like sailor, but like in the Napoleon era. So you've got heaps of photos with them like that. And then I'm pretty sure there's QR codes in here. Yeah, so there are QR codes in every interview that they have, so it's in all with all the writing. But we're not supposed to share the QR codes. But if you want it, just message me and I'll send it to you through DM. And then the next ones is them dressing up in their and their kids wear stuff. So it's just like pages like with this and just writing stuff to go with it, which I don't quite understand. Oh, and I saw translations for this. So all these graphs are like their journey to where they are, like their highs and their lows. And yeah, what else do we have? Oh my goodness. So they've got like photos from like Mama, they've got photos from Melon Music Awards, from their 4th Musters, all the Soul Music Awards. Oh, and they put the Run BTS pictures in there, some more pictures that we probably haven't seen. And then it's a whole lot of Korean, which hopefully I'll learn to read soon. Oh my god. Woo! And bam. Oh, I'm gonna get Kings. Look at them in that. Oh, honest to God, they are gorgeous. Jesus Christ, they are beautiful. I get nervous just thinking about them sometimes. And then at the back, on the last page, it's just their bags. Aren't they just gorgeous? So yeah, that was what was in my 5th term army ship membership kit. There's lots of other benefits to it, like I can buy pre-sale tickets if I want to, and I always get in first. So it comes with this book, the 7 photos of them, comes with a big poster, comes with these individual note cardboard bits and pieces that you can fold up into like cards and send them. It's got the user guide, and I've got a folder to put everything in. And then of course we've got the box. That was it for the video today. I hope you all enjoyed having a look at the 5th term army membership, the 5th term army membership kit that I got when it was in February, when the sign-ups for it happened for pre-orders. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe down below. So I will see you all in the next video. Annyeong!